Kosher Dogs with fresh salad relish on top. We're going to take chopped tomato, seeded tomato, 2 small, 1 large, a half of a small red onion, fine chop, and a couple of Persian cucumbers. I still cut around the seed for these, even though they're teeny tiny. Persian cucumbers come in the package, they're real small. I still cut around it. So we have for 5 or 6 hot dogs, you have about, 1 cup of the cucumber and tomato and about half that of the onion. Then over here, I have a lovely, bright, really, my husband would call it verdant mix of parsley, dill, mixed all together in this little quadrant over here with just a bit of mint. So I salted this and it's starting to bleed its juices. So we're going to mix this together and then we're gonna hit it with the juice of half a lemon and really good olive oil. And this is going to be our relish. We also serve it with hot peppers. These are sport peppers. You can use any hot chili pickled pepper you like, or even sliced jalapeno. And these are Israeli cucumbers. If you haven't purchased them before, you'll see them in your grocery store or online in cans, not in jars. And I just cut them into quarters or halves on the side. For our sauce for this, it's not mustard. It's harissa. And the harissa paste is mixed 1 cup to 1 tablespoon with tahini. Okay? And then I add a little squirt of lemon and a little water and a little garlic. Big fat clove of garlic, and whiz it up in the food processor. And then I put it in a squirt bottle. In New York, if you go to a hot dog cart, chances are you're getting this. You're getting dogs in very lightly simmering water. That's what all of these are. These are all beef hot dogs, sabrettes, natural casing, and pretty close to footlongs here. Beautiful selection of dogs from New York City. But whenever we cook hot dogs or sausages on the grill outside in the summer, it's great to cook them like this, so gently, barely at a simmer to heat them through. Because even if we put them on the outdoor grill or onto a griddle, we want the casing to crisp, but we want the meat to be fully warmed through. In the case of sausages, of course, we want the meat to be cooked. Let's put these long guys on the sesame rolls and do these Israeli stuff. These are our beautiful kosher dogs with Israeli sliced pickles and our beautiful homemade fresh relish of all those delicious veg and tons of herbs, parsley, dill, and a little mint, lemon juice, and olive oil. And then we put in, some hot peppers on top. And these dogs, we're putting our tahini sauce.